If you're looking for the best shampoos for hair fall, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Head & Shoulders Antihairfall Shampoo. This top anti-hairfall shampoo from Head & Shoulders has earned many positive reviews from users across the world. The formula gets absorbed deep into the scalp, nourishes it, strengthens the roots to the tips, and makes the hair look visibly healthy. It also improves the texture of the hair and prevents dryness. The formula also claims to give you 10x stronger hair by reducing breakages. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Tresemme Hairfall Defense Shampoo. The Hairfall Defense Shampoo from Tresemme is proven to be the best shampoo to reduce hair fall. It nourishes your hair and makes it less prone to drying, damage, or breaking. The product also helps in retaining all the lost moisture and gives the hair a manageable and fresh look. It enriches the hair with strength and protects it against hair fall by reducing the hair breakage by up to 97%. The number 3 position is held by Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution Shampoo. The Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution is the best shampoo to prevent hair loss. It nourishes your hair and protects it from damage or breakage. The product contains fortifying nutrients which act as an effective remedy to the problem of hair loss and also makes it stronger and shinier after every usage. The advanced formula enriched with the goodness of fermented rice water that is proven to reduce hair fall. Next at number 4 we have L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Shampoo. The Total Repair 5 shampoo for hair loss from L'Oreal Paris is considered to be another affordable anti-fall shampoo for men and women. It solves common hair problems, such as dry hair, split ends, excessive hair fall, and roughness of hair. The product repairs the hair from the roots to its ends and creates an even texture. It has become a favorite ever since it has made its entry into the market. The sweet fragrance keeps your hair smelling fresh for long. The number 5 position is held by Dove Damage Therapy Shampoo. Dove Damage Therapy Shampoo is an intense repair formula which guarantees the reduction of hair fall and the strengthening of hair follicles. The keratin actives in this formula repair your shafts from deep inside to even out the texture. With regular usage, your hair can become healthy and beautiful. This top anti-hair fall shampoo also comes with a conditioner for extra nourishment. The number 6 position is dominated by Patanjali Kesh Kanti Milk Protein Hair Cleanser Shampoo. The Kesh Kanti Hair Cleanser from Patanjali is a best herbal shampoo for hair loss. It contains natural ingredients such as mehendi, shikakai, aloe, ritha, neem and tagar which fight potential infection-causing microbes and promote a healthy scalp. These agents also prevent premature hair graying and thinning of hair due to hair loss. With regular use, the product claims to give the hair a shimmery, glossy look and also makes the hair healthy and naturally beautiful. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Sunsilk Hair Fall Shampoo. Sunsilk Hair Fall Shampoo contains Soyavit complex that reduces the amount of hair fall every day. It cleanses the hair and provides nourishment to it and makes your hair visibly smoother and softer from before. It prevents the formulation of knots and helps in controlling hair fall. This anti-hair fall shampoo also claims to give you thick and manageable hair with regular use. The number 8 position is held by Ustraa Anti-Hair Fall with Apple Cider Vinegar. The Ustraa Anti-Fall Shampoo for Men is formulated with apple cider vinegar and ginseng to prevent hair loss and strengthen your strands within. The acidic nature of ACV adds luster to your hair, while ginseng effectively fights the problem of falling hair. It is a sulfate and paraben-free formula that starts to act from the word go. Next at number 9, we have Indulekha Bringha Anti-Hairfall Hair Cleanser Shampoo. Another popular Ayurvedic shampoo for hair loss is Indulekha Bringha Anti-Hair Cleanser. This medicinal formula is enriched with the extracts of Bringha, along with amla, tulsi, neem, shikakai, and other herbal agents. It works by improving the overall health of your hair and strengthen the roots. With regular usage, your scalp gets cleaner and stronger, along with an improvement in the overall thickness. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Folligent Therapy Shampoo for hair loss. This shampoo is rated as one of the effective shampoos for thinning hair and hair loss. The shampoo is mild and makes use of natural ingredients to restore the goodness of your hair. In addition to enhancing healthy hair growth, Folligent Therapy shampoo contains copper peptides which help in protecting and strengthening the hair. It can be used by men and women to prevent hair loss and experience a new hair growth. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.